Look at these Ghibli-style videos. They are going super viral because kids love this type of cartoon-style content. My friends, all of these videos are beautifully animated and fully cartoon-style. They look amazing and very engaging. This channel's name is Ghibli Days. They have around 76,000 subscribers with only 17 videos. And the channel is based in the United States. They joined on September 11th, 2025. That means in just about 7 months they gained huge subscribers and massive views. This is 100% a monetized channel. They are earning thousands of dollars, my friends, with only 17 videos. Yes, it's real. Many of their videos are getting millions of views, and the rest are getting thousands of views. Just look at the style and the characters. It looks insane and very high quality. And today, we're going to use an AI tool to generate videos in this same style. This video is very important because in this video, we're using the latest AI tools to create cartoon-style videos. So, my friends, please don't skip this video. This video is very important. Let's go. Now, first, come to ChatGPT to generate text-to-video prompts. Today, we are using the latest model of ChatGPT. Go back to the channel and take screenshots. Also, check which thumbnail looks the best. Then come back to ChatGPT and ask this. I want the same type of Ghibli-style videos. Please give me 10 text-to-video prompts in lines. The first time, ChatGPT will give you simple prompts, but we need consistent prompts for video generation. So ask again. Please keep the style consistent in all videos, Ghibli style. Now ChatGPT will give you 10 consistent prompts, but they may not be very detailed, so ask one more time. Please make them high-detail, Ghibli-style prompts. This time, ChatGPT will give you accurate and detailed prompts with consistent characters and style. We will use these prompts to generate AI videos. Today, we are only generating videos, not images. So we don't need image prompts. Now our video prompts with consistent characters are ready. And now it's time to move to a new AI tool, an all-in-one powerful AI tool. So my friends, please don't skip this video. This part is very important. Now come to the Higgsfield AI website. I've provided the link in the description, so come there, my friends. Higgsfield has launched the KLING 3.0 model, and today we're going to use this AI tool to generate videos directly. Right now, KLING 3.0 and some other models have big discounts, which is really great. Higgsfield also provides a creator earning program. You can create videos using this platform, upload them to social media, and earn money from your content. And Higgsfield doesn't have just one AI tool. They have many image models and many video generation models. Personally, this is one of my favorite AI websites. In the previous video, we discussed KLING 3.0, but in this video, we're actually using KLING 3.0 to generate AI videos. So now, click on the KLING 3.0 model. I've also provided the direct link in the description so you can go straight to this page. Inside the model section, they don't only provide KLING 3.0, they also have KLING 3.0 Omni and editing models. Today we'll use these models to generate videos. Now let's start the process. First, go to ChatGPT and copy the main character prompt. Come back to Higgsfield and paste the prompt into the KLING 3.0 prompt box. Then go back again and copy the style prompt and paste it into KLING 3.0 as well. You can repeat this to make sure the character stays consistent. Then select the model and choose the duration. This model can generate up to 15-second videos. Select the resolution and then click Generate. It will take a little time to generate the video. This AI tool is very powerful, my friends. Personally, I love it. KLING 3.0 is one of the best AI models for creating cinematic videos and movie-style scenes. It can generate up to 15-second high-quality videos, and the results look amazing. And look at this. This video looks like it was made by a human, not AI. That's the power of KLING 3.0. The quality is so realistic and cinematic. Now it's time to generate the next video. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the next prompt, come back to KLING 3.0, paste the prompt, use the same settings, and click Generate again. Wait a few minutes, and boom, the next video is ready. It looks super realistic and very high quality. Now for the next video, we can try another model like KLING 3.0 Omni. Select the model, but this one requires an image reference. So take a screenshot from the first video you generated and upload it as the reference image. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the main prompt, paste it into the KLING 3.0 Omni prompt box, choose the duration up to 15 seconds, select the ratio and resolution, and click Generate. It will take around 3 to 5 minutes to generate the video. And boom, look at the result. Super nice, cinematic, and amazing quality. The process is simple for all videos. Copy prompts from ChatGPT, paste them into KLING 3.0, generate the video, and your video is ready. We generated videos using KLING 3.0 and KLING 3.0 Omni, and the results are amazing. Some outputs even include audio, which is great. So, my friends, don't miss this opportunity. To use KLING 3.0, you'll need a Pro plan or Ultimate plan. Normally, the plan costs around $75 per month, but right now, Higgsfield is offering about 70% off, and you also get thousands of credits per month. So go now, create videos using Higgsfield AI, upload them on YouTube or other social media platforms, and go viral. See you in the next video. Goodbye.